Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the blue screen recovery error code 0xc0000017 on your Windows device. So I'm aware that quite a few of you will be unable to boot into Windows to perform this action. So you're going to want to go ahead and download the Windows 10 Media Creation utility and boot into the command prompt option from there. So you need to get into safe mode or launch advanced troubleshooting options. You want to go ahead and get into that. So I will have a link in the description for the tutorial to download the Media Creation utility because we're going to be going into the command prompt. So if you can get access to the recovery drive, you can go ahead and proceed with this tutorial. And if you're able to boot into Windows, even better. So that's where we're going to be taking off with this tutorial. But it should be able to mirror the same commands you're going to run in both instances. So just want to put that out there right up front because I know some of you guys will not be able to boot into Windows. It's a little bit easier for me to show you guys just by doing it this way, so that's why I'm doing it this way. I'm going to start by opening up the start menu, type in CMD. Best match to come back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. So you're going to want to paste in the first command I'm going to have in the description of the video, so just copy it from my description and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt, right click on it, left click on add in, left click on paste to paste it in. If you're unable to access the internet or if you're booting from the Media Creation utility, just take note of the spelling here on my screen. I'll have it in the description of the video as well if you want to write it down, but it should say the operation completed successfully. And then you want to go run the second command here. So I'm going to paste that in, hit enter, and once that's done, I would suggest restarting your device and see if then you're able to continue with your Windows installation or your problem has been resolved completely. You can also try running an SFC scan too, so maybe try typing in SFC space /scan now, all one word for scan now, and then hit enter. This will take some time to run, so probably take about 10 or 15 minutes or so. Let your computer restart once this is done scanning, and then hopefully that would have been able to resolve your problem as well. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.